In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Chatgpt-4. This process is quite simple and only takes about 5 minutes from start to finish. Whether you're looking to switch things up for a fresh look or you just prefer a different vibe while using ChatGPT, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to customize your interface. To start off, make sure you have the ChatGPT application open on your device. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in brings you to the main interface where you can start interacting with the model. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. It's usually located in the corner to allow easy access to your account settings and preferences. Click on your profile icon and it'll bring up a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, look for the Settings option. This is where most of your account customization options are located, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you're not yet accustomed to it. Click on Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, you will encounter various tabs dedicated to different aspects of your account and user experience. For changing the theme, you'll want to select the Appearance tab. The Appearance section is specifically designed for customizing visual elements of your interface to better suit your style or needs. Now, as you go into the appearance settings, you'll be presented with different theme options. Themes can range from light and dark modes to more colorful and expressive designs, depending on what's available in the current version of ChatGPT. Simply click on the theme that best suits your preferences. Keep in mind that changing themes can enhance not just visual appeal, but also your overall comfort, depending on your viewing conditions, such as ambient lighting. A great feature of ChatGPT-4 is that once you choose a theme, your selection is applied instantly. This immediate effect allows you to see straight away if the new theme is to your liking, without the need to re-log in or refresh your page. It's a seamless experience, designed to save you time and allow for quick experimentation if you're unsure of which theme you prefer. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your theme in ChatGPT-4. Remember, this can be done as often as you like, so feel free to explore the different options. Your setup is now customized to enhance your experience, perfectly tailored to your liking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly personalized ChatGPT interface.